Today's guest is a mud-covered Mercedes car. Yes, friends, today we need to clean this vehicle and return it to its owner in beautiful condition.
Welcome to my channel, friends. I am Iqbal Bagirli. Please, if you liked it, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and write your thoughts in the comment section.
What do you think is the model of this mud-covered Mercedes? Who knows? Let those who know for sure write in the comments. Let's see who can correctly identify the exact Mercedes model. Friends, in your opinion, how much money should be charged to the owner when cleaning and delivering this vehicle? How many dollars do you value this work at? Please share your opinion. What about your friend? If your friend borrowed your car temporarily for a drive and returned it in this condition, would you still remain friends with that person, or what? What do you think is the selling price of this car in its muddy condition, or how much could it sell for after it's cleaned? These people are really professionals at their job. Do you notice? Do you see how they clean it? They will still clean the car with a special chemical. In the end, the car will be so beautiful that you won't believe your eyes that this is the same Mercedes that was previously dirty and muddy. They've cleaned it so beautifully that you really feel at peace and relaxed watching it. It's as if your sins are washing away. What about you? Do you like these car cleaning videos, ASMR, or car restoration videos in general? Do you want me to keep posting them? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. As the high-pressure water hits the car, it's as if its true beauty is revealed. It turns out this car wasn't really that dirty after all. It looks like a beautiful, brand new car. Because as you can see, each time the water is sprayed, the car's shining parts and bright metal are revealed underneath. I wonder where they drove this car to get it covered in mud like this. Or maybe they held car races in the mud. What do you think about this? These people are truly professionals at their job. A person should do their work so beautifully that customers are never dissatisfied. They should be pleased and pay happily, and even pay more. Such people truly deserve appreciation. They are the ones who know how to make more money, so however much they earn, may be well deserved. They have great skills. Did you see how they delicately disassemble and separate every detail of the car? Now they will surely clean everything precisely and beautifully before putting the car back together. What about you? Would you trust these craftsmen with your car to have it cleaned so thoroughly and returned to you? In general, I have a question for the viewers. Do you have a car at all? If so, what make is it? May your car be beneficial and successful for each of you. May you drive it in happy days. In general, I'm curious, do you have a car? If not, what has been your biggest dream to own and drive a car? Look, you see, they apply the special chemical they made themselves to the car so that all the hidden dirt, rust, and mud are completely clean, making the car look spotless. They're doing a wonderful job. It's truly impressive. Do you think it's possible not to like this video, not to share it, or not to write a thank you word to reward the effort of these craftsmen? The craftsmen use brushes to clean even the most hidden spots and corners of the car, scrubbing and polishing so thoroughly that their work is truly 5-star. The money paid to them is well deserved. They really deserve praise and appreciation. Watching such craftsmen is heartwarming. These videos bring peace, calming the mind, soul, and heart. This is a wonderful video. Make sure to like it so it reaches a larger audience and helps the channel grow. You see my channel name, Iqbal Bagirli. Don't forget this channel. It will feature both shorts and long-form videos. Be sure to watch all videos to the end and share your reactions and thoughts.
After cleaning the inside of the car, mostly the floor, they close the doors and start cleaning the front, mainly the engine bay. I don't know how right or wrong it is to spray water on the engine, but it needs to be cleaned anyway. What do you think? Is it right to spray water on the engine area, or can it cause damage? But these craftsmen are probably professionals at their job. I don't think they would make a mistake. After washing the engine bay thoroughly with water, they treat it again with a special chemical they prepared using their own recipe. They really do very clean work. Did you like this car cleaning video? Would you like to see more videos like this? After applying the chemical, they thoroughly scrub every part with a brush again, and by spraying high-pressure water, they beautifully clean the Mercedes engine bay. After closing the cover of the engine bay, they shut the car's front hood, and now they're moving on to cleaning the car's exterior, applying that miraculous chemical again, so that all the mud and dirt wash off. leaving the car spotless. After applying the chemical, they wait a bit for it to take effect, so that all the dirt, rust, and mud on the car are cleaned more thoroughly, and there is no dirt left on the car when washed with water. And after waiting a while, they start cleaning the outside of the car again with high-pressure water. The finalization work is practically finished now, and you will really like the car you see at the end. I am sure of it. As the pressurized water is sprayed, the car's true color is revealed. How the metal shines. Look at the mud before, look at the brightness now. What color do you think this car is? What color is registered on the documents? If anyone knows, let them note it in the comment section. As the water is sprayed, it cleans beautifully, and all the dirt flows into the sewage system. The car's wheels also look very beautiful. In general, the Mercedes logo too. But how do you like the Mercedes logo? Personally, I really like the Mercedes logo. In general, do you like Mercedes cars? As one of the final steps for the car, the upper part is thoroughly treated with a chemical substance and cleaned. A chemical substance is applied all over the car. Then the exterior of the vehicle is scrubbed again using their special cleaning brushes. It will look beautiful, I'm sure of it, and then it is cleaned with water again. These special gloves are also beautiful. Notice how well they clean the car, and then they wash the whole car with pressurized water.
Now the car's surface is being thoroughly washed with water, and soon the vehicle will be taken out of the car wash.
You like to have a Mercedes like this?
They've already pushed the Mercedes out of the car wash by hand and are cleaning up the dirty, muddy water that spilled on the car wash floor. After the car wash interior is cleaned with pressurized water, now it's time to first treat the car's interior components with a chemical substance and then wash them. After being soaked, are thoroughly cleaned again, using special brushes and brushes for every spot. Now the car's seats are being cleaned with water, the dashboard is being cleaned by brushing again, and the steering wheel is being cleaned by brushing with a chemical substance. All the remaining parts are also cleaned and then set to dry. After drying, all the car's spare parts will be reassembled in their places. Now the car is being brought into the car wash for reassembly, and all the spare parts will be reinstalled in their places, each according to its procedure. And so all the spare parts are carefully placed in their proper order and spots by the mechanics, and the car is gradually becoming completely ready. Almost there. Soon, it will probably be possible to start the fully prepared car and drive it. And so, all the remaining equipment of the car is being installed, and it will soon be handed over to its owner. And so, friends, our car is almost completely ready and is being handed over to its owner. Congratulations! If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts about the video. See you in the next videos. Goodbye, stay safe.